Orta diye. Belki.
Bir de Maykama kadar suya.
Ev əsas önəmli. Ay Allah, sənin fotoqraf deyən sənə. Gəl bura tut.
Mən
When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you. This is what makes heartbreak so difficult to heal. Addicts know they're addicted. They know when they're shooting up. But heartbroken people do not. But you do now. But you do now. When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you. You're just feeding your addiction. When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.